Hey there, welcome to my AI Kartra review video where I'm going to show you how Kartra AI can help you streamline your business, making you more efficient in your day-to-day activities. And if you stay to the end, I'll also show you how to get your hands on my 12K mega bonus that will definitely help you get in front of the right target market and your audience in order to make more sales and more commissions. So let's go ahead and have a look at Kartra's AI. Now, before you get started with Kartra's AI, you have to configure it in the settings menu. So we're going to head over to the settings and we're going to scroll down where it says AI business settings. Now, I've already configured mine, so just imagine you haven't. So we're going to press change and it's going to list your company, industry, what products or services do you offer, who are your audience and customers, how would you describe your business? What problems do you solve? Vision, what makes it unique? Now, this is some information that's going to help the AI figure out who you are, how to speak to your audience when you're asking it to do tasks. So you're going to fill in your information here according to who you are, what you do, and make it relevant to what you're planning to do with your emails and funnels and so forth and so on. So once you've done that, you're going to press save. And you're going to head back to the main dashboard. Now, it does a lot of things, but I'm going to show you two functions that most people are probably going to use the AI for. So number one is communication, aka your emails. We're going to test out what it can produce as far as an email. So you're going to start a new broadcast. Let's just name this testing 1, 2, 3. Create. We're going to send by email. Save. On to the next. Recipients. Let's just pick let's just say a list. We're going to choose my Make Money Online list. And we've got the next phase, which is just press save. And now we just want to send a single email. Now, normally you can customize this email yourself and write whatever you want to write to your audience. But we're going to say generate with AI. Now, what you can see is asking you, what kind of content do you need? So I'm just going to say, I want to send an email to my list about my new ebook called Video Ranking Blueprint. In this email, I want you to tell my list to take action and download the free ebook today and they'll get surprise gift. Then it's going to ask you, what tone do you want to speak in? So you can say academic, authoritative, casual, confident, conversational, enthusiastic, formal, friendly, humorous, informal, inspirational, motivational, persuasive, professional, technical. So depending on your niche, depending on your personality, you can just pick whatever. So I'll just say maybe academic. And then you can choose your language. We're choosing English, but you can choose a whole wide range of options. So let's stick to English. And then there's an important part right here. Because you filled out your information in the AI business settings, you can include this in your email or you can choose to opt out. So you can choose to opt in or choose to opt out. In this moment, I'm going to choose to opt out and then press use Kartra AI. Now it's doing its thing. It's preparing your content and there you have it. Move this out the way for a second so we can read the quality. So here's the headline. Don't miss out on your free ebook and surprise gift. Download your free e-copy of Video Ranking Blueprint today. Dear first and last name, as a valued member of our list from the date joined, whatever date they joined, we wanted to share with you some exciting news. Our brand new ebook, Video Ranking Blueprint, is now available for download. This comprehensive guide breaks down the essential steps to improving your video ranking and getting more views. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or simply interested in the world of online video, this ebook is a must read. That's not all. As a special thank you for being part of our community, we've included a surprise gift with your download. Trust us, you won't want to miss out on this. So why wait? Take action now and download your free copy of Video Ranking Blueprint today. Simply click the link below to access your ebook and surprise gift. Then the download. Thank you for your continued support and we hope you enjoy our latest offering. Best regards, your name right here. Now, I think that's pretty solid. It gets to the point. It's followed my instructions very clearly, But if I wasn't happy, I have the opportunity to regenerate or revert to previous options, or I could just accept the content and say, I'm happy with the email and send that out. Now that took me a very short amount of time. And if you're very busy, this type of tool can help you save a lot of time. And this is one thing that Kartra has introduced to their system that really changes the game. However, the next thing that people would usually use AI for would be on the landing pages or their websites. So let's go ahead and test this out. So we're going to head over to pages and we're going to select to create a new page. Now, Kartra offers so many wonderful blueprints. So depending on if you're going to do a landing page or if you're going to do an ebook or website, you decide. But let's just have a look and see what we can work with. As an example, let's go back to the top. Let's do ebook. So let's select an ebook and name it Tester ebook. No particular category. And let's create. Now, as you see, this is a wonderful template that you can customize all day long. All we have to do is, let's just change that image just to make it look nicer. So I'll put that there, press apply. And then we can just say, generate with AI. It's going to ask you once again, what kind of content do you need? So I'm going to say, write me content for my ebook called Video Ranking Blueprint. This ebook shows readers how to rank on the top page of Google, and make money by placing products and services in front of targeted customers. So once again, we can choose the tone. So for this, I'm going to make it sound enthusiastic. Yeah, let's keep it at that. And as you can see, straight away, it's generated something unique, something powerful. And let's have a quick read. Unleash the power of video ranking blueprint. Are you ready to learn the secrets of dominating Google's top page rankings? Our ebook Video Ranking Blueprint is your ultimate guide to skyrocketing your online visibility and boosting sales. With step-by-step strategies and insider tips, you will discover how to position your products and services directly in front of your ideal customer. Get ready to conquer the digital world and watch your business thrive with Video Ranking Blueprint. Once again, you see within a click of a button, you are able to generate quality content that speaks to your ideal customer. And this is why Kartra AI is a powerful tool. Now, if you like what you've seen, you can grab a 30-day free trial of Kartra through my link below. And not only that, I will give you access to my 12K mega bonus just for trying it out for 30 days. Now, what do you get in this 12K mega bonus stack? Well, number one, you're going to get access to the VIP 24-hour ranking system. Now, the 24-hour ranking system is going to show you how you can place products and services on the front page of Google for free without spending any money on ads. And we all know the lifeline of any business is the customer base and getting traffic and getting targeted high quality traffic. And why would you not go to the two top search engines on the planet, which is literally YouTube and Google, and meet your customers where they already are? So your first part of this bonus stack will be getting full access to the 24-hour ranking system. Next, you're going to be able to get your hands on the 12K bonus stack mega license, which means that you'll be able to give this away to your customers, to your clients, to your audience in order to get more sales and provide more value. Next, you're going to get weekly coaching access to my mentor, Paul, who's going to show you exactly how to skyrocket your business activities by supercharging your funnels with high buyer intent traffic. And in these weekly calls, you can ask him anything you want about your business and how to improve your current situation. And that alone is worth its weight in gold. And finally, in the first part of this bonus stack, you're going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge, which is going to help you get your first listings on the front page of Google, to help you get inspired and empowered to really go all the way in with your business to start getting rankings and listings and start making money right away. But I also want to help you really succeed with email marketing. So I'm going to give you access to List Prodigy. Now, this is going to help you really boost your email marketing campaigns by help you not only learn how to build a list, expose you to a secret traffic source that most people don't know about, teach you how to use ChatGPT to help you streamline some of your activities, help you use AI to superpower some of your email marketing activities, and teach you how to nurture your list and in turn increase your open rate. And this is totally newbie friendly, so anybody can get onto this and learn how to do it and supercharge their email marketing activities. Now, this is usually $197, but if you purchase Kartra through my link, you will get this free today. Now, remember, you are now getting the 12K bonus stack from my mentor, Paul Murphy. Next, you're going to get access to List Prodigy, which is going to help you with your email marketing and help you actually make sales. And I'm going to give you access to 90 Make Money online courses. This is going to range from everything from affiliate marketing, LinkedIn marketing, video SEO, high ticket sales training, and Amazon FBA. Everything you need to learn online, including stuff like Bitcoin, which is going to help you not only learn new skill sets, but actually make money online. And if you're a course creator, you can use this as inspiration for your content, and this will definitely add more value to your whole funnel and everything that you're doing. So if you're interested in this, all you have to do is go to the link below. You will find a landing page like this. All you have to do is fill in your email, your name and your email, and you will get access to all these special bonuses right away. All you have to do is check your email, and you'll have all the information you need to click and download and sign up for everything you need. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.